This video will show how to use the loop tester to auto-address loop units, create a SSD file, and create a report. With the loop tester you can prepare the commissioning of the COM loops, before the control unit is installed. The loop tester can also be used for testing and fault search. Loop tester can be used with software 2.6 and later. From version EBLWin 2.10.0, the loop tester wizard can be selected. You must install the following on your PC. EBLWin. EBLWin key driver. USB driver for the control unit. If you need to change version in the loop tester, you also need EBL firmware manager. Note that an EBLWin key is required. Connect power supply, loop cables and a USB connector for the PC to the loop tester. Check that the EBLWin key is plugged in. Start EBLWin. The EBLWin version must match with the software version of loop tester, with the two first digits. Select to run loop tester wizard. Log on. Yes, we want to auto-address the loop. In this case we have only units with isolators. Continue. This procedure will set the address for all new units with factory setting. The addressing procedure is completed. We have no units without isolators, so I click Skip. The loop is scanned again and finalized. You can also see the result in a list view. Click Save as a XML file to save loop 0. To generate a report of the installed units on the loop, click Save and choose PDF format. The report will include a summary of all loop units, current consumption, serial numbers and a graphical presentation of the loop. Now you can continue to scan the next loop. Disconnect the power of the loop scanner. Connect the loop cables of the next loop to be scanned. And reconnect the power supply. Click Start in the wizard. Save this loop with a new name. Repeat this for all loops. Close the wizard. Now we will show how to create a SSD file from the XML files. Open EBLWin. Right-click on the loop. Select Create SSD from scanned loop. Click OK. Select the XML file for loop 0, loop 1 and so on. Make the required configuration to the units. When all XML files are retrieved, save the file and download the SSD to the control unit. Thank you for watching.